How to start a trucking company without driving trucks. What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we are talking about how to start a trucking company without driving trucks. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about making more money, saving more money, building better you and business. So let's get to the topic on hand. How to start a trucking company without even driving trucks, without even getting behind the wheel, my friend. I know you're wondering to yourself, right? How in the world will I be able to start a trucking company without driving the actual trucks, right? Well, it's not that hard, all right? First and foremost, you gotta get an LLC. You have to get an LLC. There is no way in the world that you can start a trucking company or any real company without getting an LLC, all right? And if you don't know what an LLC is, it's a limited liability company. And if you don't know how to get a LLC, or if you want more information on getting an LLC, go ahead and check out the video right here. All right, so now that you got in your LLC, all right, you have to get a business bank account. I hope you're writing this down. You need to get you a pen and paper. Stop the video right now and go get yourself a pen and paper, all right? Because you need to write this stuff down. All right, so like I said, get your LLC and take your LLC and get a business bank account. Now, next, get yourself a business credit card, all right? Apply for a business credit card based off your LLC. Now, you can go and finance a new or used, brand new box truck or tractor or just a trailer, all three, or maybe just one of each. Like one of them, like, oh, maybe you just get a trailer, or maybe you want to get some tractors. Okay, maybe you just want a box truck. Okay, you can just get one of those and get started, right? Because next step is to join co-op.com. On co-op.com, or is it coop.com? I'm not sure. Okay, but I think it's co-op, COOP.com. So there you go, co-op. You will be able to put your trucks, tractors, and even trailers up for rent in your surrounding area to local businesses close to you. So maybe you have somewhere you can park a trailer at. Or maybe you have a box truck you can park maybe in front of your house, maybe at a neighbor's house. Maybe there's a parking lot that nobody, really cares about, and you can park your truck there, all right? Then you can have it sitting there and waiting to be rented by local businesses. You just place it on Co-op's website, and they will list it for local businesses that need to borrow your truck, basically rent out your truck, and so they can make different moves, they can make different deliveries and things like that. Or if you need trucks, right? If you need trucks, you can go to the website, search the vehicle you need from hundreds of trucks, tractors, and trailers available to rent from trusted businesses in your area. Okay, hold on, I'm thirsty. All right, so now all users are thoroughly checked to ensure the highest safety and reliability standards. All right, each transaction is covered by physical damage insurance and $1 million. Is that $1 million? I believe that's $1 million liability policy. Okay, so basically you are covered. All right, vehicles that are rented through co-op.com are actually come with the riders, the riders, though that a company that's actually rent trucks and stuff like that, riders 24/7 roadside assistance for a reliable rental experience. Now, this comes straight off the website. That is exactly what they say on the website. So you can definitely check that out if you need to learn more about the website. It's coop.com, coop.com. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that this company, coop.com, that, is backed by a rider, then it's an extremely high chance that this will definitely be something you need to look into if you want to start a trucking company without driving trucks and make a lot of big bucks. You know what I'm saying? Because being broke sucks. I make myself laugh. Anyhow, there are also things like Uber Freight and Lyft Freight to help you move loads if you have some that needs to be picked up. So honestly, if you have loads, maybe you already started a trucking company and you need to expand, maybe you need more drivers and stuff like that, then there you go. You can use Uber Freight or Lyft Freight. And they just come and pick up your loads, man, and get those moving. Now, also, if you want to take it up a notch, another notch, you can actually hire some drivers of your own also, that's so you can use them to kind of like correlate with, Uber Freight drivers and Lyft drivers. But that, that's a lot of, experience and a lot of, growth if you're really looking to grow a trucking business. So you definitely can do that. But my thing is, right, with all this being said, with all this information you just got, my thing is, how many people are really going to take this information and really start themselves a trucking business? Not a lot. Not a lot of people are going to do it. A lot of people are going to listen to this video, watch this video and say, that's a good idea. But they're not really going to do it. Because number one thing is they're going to say to themselves, hey, it costs too much money to do it. B, it takes too much time and effort. And C, I don't really know if it's gonna work because, this is a lot of, moving parts. I really don't know what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna just fall back on my dream and not do it, right? A lot of people do that. What I'm trying to get at is you need to realize that you only live one life. So if you want to start a trucking company without driving trucks, then go ahead and do it, man. Follow these steps and get it done, okay? Now, if you're saying to yourself, hey, man, this is a lot of money I got to put up. This is a lot of effort. I'm not sure if I want to do this. This is not my passion. I just wanted to watch this video and see what you're talking about. Now, what if I told you that there was a way you could start making real residual income month in, month out, online from the comfort of your home? What if I told you that was possible? If that's something you think is possible, or if you want to see if it's possible, go ahead and click the link below, okay? Check that out. You can learn how you can increase your income right now and then start increasing your income later on while having your own home-based business. And then you can grow it out as far as you want to grow. You can use that money to invest in your other businesses, like starting a trucking company or something else that you feel inclined to do, okay? So, like I said, go ahead and click that link below and get started today. So there you have it, how to start a trucking business without driving trucks. Thanks for watching. It's your boy Devon, signing off. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.